1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello guys, 안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. How are you all doing? Once more, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adele, also known as Oma MJ, or the Queen of the Sound, as you already know. So guys, yes, you all know I started studying Korean language, and yeah, it's not been easy, from the alphabet to days of the week, the months. Yeah, so in today's video, before I get into that, if you're new, kindly hit the subscription button and the notification bell to let you know each time I upload a new video. So what's it for today? Let's dive in and see. Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm not so sure if I want to do this, but we have been learning how to count 1 to 100 and more in Korean. So the thing is, Korean has two counting systems, because for people you need to use a different counting system, and for money you use something different as well, maybe for buses or food, things like that. So we have been learning the two different ways, and the one I want to do today is the il I samsa. Yes, and we have the hana tu sekne. So those are the two counting systems Korea has. So today I want to do the il I samsa right up to 100. So I don't know if I can do this properly, but let's try. First counting system I'm gonna do is the il I samsa. I don't know if I can get to 100, but I'll try. Okay, let's go. Il I. I'll do it in a series of 10 10 10 10, so that you know the different steps of which I am at. Okay, il I samsa o yuk chil pal ku and ship. Yes, that's 1 to 10. We have e ship. No, 10 was ship. Now we have ship il 11, ship il, ship e, ship sam, ship o, ship ku, ship yuk, ship chil, ship pal, ship ku, and e ship. So 20 is e ship and 10 is ship. So now 20, 21 to 30. So this one I'm gonna do up to 50 for this set, from 21 to 50. Okay, now we have e ship il, e ship e, e ship sam, e ship o, e ship ku, e ship yuk, e ship yuk, that's 26. E ship yuk, e ship chil, e ship pal, e ship ku, and e ship some ship. Some ship. That's 30. Sorry, that's 30. Some ship. Okay, now let's go to 40, 31 to 40. Okay, some ship il, some ship il, some ship e, some ship some ship some ship o. Il is samsa. Okay, no. Some ship sa, that's 34. Some ship sa, some ship ku, some ship yuk, some ship chil, some ship pal, some ship ku, and sa ship. Sa ship. Now 40. Yes, sa ship 40. Now from 41 to 50, we have sa ship il is samsa. Okay, sa ship il, sa ship e, sa ship sam, that's 43. Sa ship sam, sa ship sa ship o, sa ship yuk, sa ship chil, sa ship pal, sa ship ku, and now 50. Yuk ship il is samsa o ship. Okay, o ship, that's 50. Now 50. Okay, now from 51 to 60, il is samsa o. Okay, o ship il, that's 51. O ship il, o ship e, o ship sam, o ship sa, o ship o, that's 55. O ship o, o ship yuk, o ship chil, o ship pal, o ship ku, Oship ku 59, and now we have 60, which is Yukship. Yes, Yukship, that's 60. All right, so now I'm gonna count from 60, which is Yukship, to probably 70 or 80. Yes, okay. Yukship il, Yukship e, Yukship sam, Yukship o, il e sam sa. Sorry, Yukship sa, that's 64. Yukship o, Yukship yuk, Yukship yuk, 66. Yukship chil, Yukship pal, Yukship ku, and 70. Chilship, yes, chilship, that's 70. Chilship e, 71. Chilship e, Chilship e, Chilship sam, Chilship sa, 74. Chilship sa, Chilship u, 75. Chilship u, Chilship yuk, Chilship chi, Chilship pal, Chilship ku, Chilship ku, that's 79. And 80, now we have Palship. Palship is 80. I ended at 80 and now I'm starting from 81. 80 is Palship, so I'm starting from 81 to probably 100. Yes, okay, let's go. Palship il, Palship e, Palship sam, Palship sa, Palship ku, Palship o, that's right, 85. Palship o, Palship yuk, Palship chil, Palship pal, Palship ku, and 90 we have Kuship, 90, Kuship, and now 91 to 100, sorry. Kuship il, Kuship e, Kuship sam, Kuship sa, Kuship 5, that's Kuship o, 95, and Kuship yuk, Kuship chil, Kuship pal, Kuship ku, 99, and 100 is Bekship. Sorry guys, sorry, 100 is Bek, not Bekship. Please give me a thumbs up in the end after watching. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, and yeah, put on your notification bell to let you know each time Oma MJ uploads a new video all the way from South Korea. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for making this family grow. And please don't forget to share the video as well, because I know there are so many people out there aspiring to come to Korea, either to visit or to school or work. Yeah, whatever be the case, please don't forget to hit Oma MJ up when you visit South Korea. Thank you, and see you again in our next video. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Ciao a tutti.